It's pretty crazy how fast the e-commerce world is moving these days. I was gone for literally just 1 month, and I come back and I see TikTok Shop US making all-time highs. Not only is crypto making all-time highs here pretty soon, but TikTok US or TikTok Shop US is seriously making massive waves in the e-commerce landscape. And in today's video, I want to go over some of the stores that are crushing it right now, literally doing over $1 million per week, which is crazy. So yes, sorry to spoil the surprise here a little bit, but some of these brands are doing up to $5 million a month now. The previous record that I filmed a few months back was $3 million a month. So as I predicted a little bit, which honestly was a pretty easy prediction, TikTok Shop is starting to really take off. So here we go. Happy to be back, by the way. Thank you all for being patient. Those of you that are subscribed to the channel, I haven't posted in a while, but we're going to start farming some content here very shortly. Now, as you see here, these are the top products in the past week. So this is the top one. The top one is this gut and colon support product. So in this week, it did $1 million, literally. What's really funny about this product is that it actually doesn't have really a good Shopify store presence, at least last time I looked it up. It's a super cheap product. I remember the brand was called Mila Mi Amor, which is kind of crazy because my daughter's name's Mila. But let me see. If we go to their site, we can see that it's literally extremely simple. I mean, it can't get simpler than this when it comes to a Shopify store. And, it's actually pretty bad, I would say even. But it doesn't matter, right? Because TikTok Shop is absolutely printing for these guys. And we can see also the effect that TikTok Shop has on the site. They're getting 18,000 monthly visitors, which is nothing compared to, what they're doing on TikTok Shop. So that's kind of the halo effect. If you don't know what a halo effect is, it's when your brand gets more recognition and more growth from a specific channel. So let's say TikTok Shop is blowing up for you. That will trickle into Amazon sales, to Shopify sales, and it will start creating brand recognition for your brand. So that's pretty interesting. Then the second product is this water flosser. So this is a great product. I think this product is amazing. I need to order one myself. And as you see, it's really been taking off. They did a $250,000 day. Oh, sorry, you can't see it. They did a $250,000 day a few days ago, which is crazy. Some of these influencers are printing for them, and we can actually even see some of the videos that are popping off. This is the one that I recently saw, but let's take a look at this one because this one they're running as an ad. So if we take a look at this here, so it's people putting mouthwash into this flosser. That's what's going viral. The top video also is that same premise. And here's a great lesson, guys. I mean, copy the winning concepts. If you're selling a water flosser right now, this is the meta. Say that you're using, mouthwash in your flosser, and you're going to pop off. So don't reinvent the wheel. And when I say these things to you, just remember, I'm kind of taking note of this myself because despite me being extremely busy this month with my new baby, this has been my best month in business. And it's only going to continue to compound. And it's all because I'm writing down these things in my mind whenever I review them. All these years that I've been making these e-commerce videos, reviewing some of the latest meta, I've been applying that to my business. And it's been compounding pretty greatly. I don't want to talk about any individual figures yet, just because, my family follows me on here. A lot of friends, it's just, I want to keep some things private for now. But just know that we're popping off, and I think you'll be pretty surprised by the end of the year just how much progress we're actually making at my company. So that's besides the fact. But yeah, this video is very simple. It's just this girl. I'll turn off the sound and just kind of play it here. But yeah, she's using mouthwash in her water flosser. And this is the winning angle, the winning formula right now that's popping off for this brand. And it's what it's allowed them to do a $250,000 day. Okay, it's just not loading. My Wi-Fi is just trash right now. And yeah, so this is the number 2 product right now that's popping off the most. And again, don't want to sound like a broken record, but it's because of this exact angle right here, using mouthwash in your water flosser. People think it's absolutely brilliant. It really works. Here's another video. This one's actually pretty good. This is the one that I saw that really caught my attention. I'm severely sleep deprived, okay? So excuse some of my bad language here, some of my terrible grammar. Nothing's loading, but you and I are here together, which is great. I'm happy to be here. Feels good to be back, I'm not gonna lie. It does feel really great to be making content again. It's just something I'm very passionate about. I love putting my thoughts out there, not necessarily teaching so much, but just kind of learning together is how I view what I do. But yeah, so this video right here, let's take a look. Let's just go on TikTok. That's such a better idea. So here's the video.
Listerine in my water flosser. You are a fucking genius. I'm literally looking forward to brushing my teeth, to flossing every single day now because of this.
Such a good raw hook right there. Like, I'm looking forward to flossing every day. Says no one ever, right? So that's why this is so powerful.
This is day 7.
And he actually shows the results.
This shit is disgusting. If you're not water flossing, you're literally going to get gingivitis. You're going to have bad breath from all the tartar in your mouth.
So this person's printing with the TikTok Shop affiliate program, which really that's kind of the great thing about TikTok Shop and why I love covering it is that it presents an incredible opportunity for literally everybody on TikTok. The creators, the brands, literally everybody. So I'm kind of playing on the brand game, but I'm also building resources for creators. So, if you go to akemulab.com, you can find a lot of content on creators and how to become a creator. But also we have a server, obviously for those of you that don't know, I run a company called Akemi where we work with big Shopify stores and we run their paid media, help them grow. But a lot of these people want creators too, so I'm trying to meet more creators that I can place with these brands because it's really powerful. It's a great content engine. It's a great way to make extra sales, get more brand recognition. This is for the brand side. And then for the creators, it's great because you can make money. You can make commissions selling other people's products or products that you love. And believe it or not, almost every single e-commerce brand out there has some form of affiliate program. So even the ones that you shop at already, you can probably join their affiliate program, make videos about the product that you already use and love, and make money promoting them. It's actually incredible. It's a really, full circle economy. And it's just cool to me how much better e-commerce continues to get. Now there's also AI content, so you don't even need to film videos anymore. You can just make AI content if you really don't want to show your product or show your face. So many possibilities. It's almost overwhelming. That's why it's good to be surrounded by other people that are involved in this space. That's why you should go to akemulab.com, check out some of the stuff on there. We have a great community as well, a Discord server. And yeah, guys, really appreciate you watching this video. Really happy to be back. Make sure you turn on those notifications because I'm going to be streaming soon and we're going to get some really great clips from it and learn a lot together. Just going to continue to do stuff that I think is fun and valuable. But that's about it. See you in the next video. Peace.